Goplus Electric Fitness Treadmill, household private home gymnasium, helps you to keep relaxed from stressful life and work. Ideal for everyday running workout at home. On this treadmill and exercise with it, you will lead healthier and happier life. Foldable design with built-in transport wheels for easy transport and storage. Large and heavy-duty construction. 17 inches by 47 inches big rubber running belt. Driven by a 2.25 horsepower impulse max motor. 3 adjustable incline levels. Considerable hidden iPad and a mobile phone holder. 5 inches LCD Blu-ray display. 12 preset workout programs for your quickly access. 0.5 to 7.5 miles per hour adjustable speed levels. Rubber damping design. Decrease vibration.